Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're going to do another tumbler today. This is a little bit different one. This one comes with a lid and a straw. So the cool thing about this is even though I use food safe epoxy to seal it, because of the straw and whatnot, with this you really wouldn't have to worry about it. Your lips would never touch it. Also, on the recommendation of a couple people, I did lightly sand this ahead of time so that the paint and epoxy would adhere a bit better. I'm running a little low on paints, so I've had my paints kind of actually dripping in there. I put a little bit of white and blue. I'm going to also use some, this is like a kind of a teal color. And then I'm going to add some yellow, gold, and black. And hopefully that should pretty much do it. We've got a lot of paint mixing going on in the next couple days. And even the black is almost gone. Okay. This might end up being more yellow than I want because I need to have a paint mixing party. Come on, guys. Okay, let's see if I can use a little more of this teal color, and I might actually even have to throw some red in there. Yep, it's looking like it. Unless I want to have a lot of yellow. Yeah, let's just go with yellow. Yellow will mix nicely with the blue and the black. Okay. So that should be pretty good. I do have this set on a cup as usual. And so I've got a little bit more paint in here. Nope, I'm not. Okay. Whoops. All right, here we go. Luckily, the first colors in there were the white and blue. So those will really be the last colors on the cup. Okay, good. This is looking fabulous so far. Awesome. Okay, we'll leave the cup sitting there. I'm going to bring it down for a quick side view. So this is running down really beautifully. It is looking great. I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes and let it run down until it pretty much stops dripping or slows down, and then we'll go ahead and do the canvas. Okay, this is largely slowed down, so I'm going to carefully pick it up by the cup and set this aside. Don't worry too much if you touch like the very bottom with your fingers, because the paint's going to just keep on going. So any finger marks or whatever will be covered up. So as can be expected, got a lot of yellow on the canvas. I'm okay with that. We also got a lot of green here. Just tilt till we get a full coverage here. I actually think I'm going to end up really, really liking this. And I think yellow sometimes is a color I don't use enough. This looks like a very springy, this is like a really spring color theme, which is kind of perfect because that's coming on up. That is a lot of yellow. Probably I feel like more than I would normally use, but that's okay. I like it. Like it anyways. Excellent. All right. So that concludes this portion of this project. Let's go ahead and do a close-up on these guys. And then I'm going to post the final versions because I'm going to resin this cup and everything. I'm going to post the final version on my Instagram. So make sure you are following me on Instagram. Let's do our close-up. So here is the canvas. I love, love, love the pattern that doing pours like this gives you. It's always got kind of a peacock vibe, no matter what colors you're using. Like I said, definitely more yellow than normal, but that's okay. Beautiful. And then the cup, I'm actually really excited about. So, not too much yellow on the cup. A little bit over here, which is pretty exciting that there's not too much yellow. But it looks like it's mostly going to be blue and some green. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so that you see the final dry versions when I post them. Will probably be in about a week or so. I'll show you how these awesome projects look totally complete, and I will see you next time.